Use the advantages of Battenberg Measurement Robotics for your best fit assembly processes. Battenberg robots are the first choice in high-precision production processes. This example of the assembly of a tail light will demonstrate how Battenberg measurement robots optimize the gap dimension around the tail light during the assembly process. The robot picks up the component with a special tool and positions it in front of the 3D scanner. In succession, first the tail light and then the tail light pot in the body are scanned and measured. First, the exact installation position of the tail light in the body is calculated. Then the Battenberg robot moves to the assembly coordinates. Supported by 4-line scanners in the robotic hand, the robot fits the tail light force-controlled. The specified gap dimension must be continually controlled here. Movements for optimization are automatically calculated and executed. Thanks to real-time control, the best fit of the tail light in the body is achieved. Also profit from the advantages of Battenberg Measurement Robotics. Use Battenberg Measurement robots flexibly in your production. New high-precision assembly processes can be programmed yourself at any time, because the Battenberg software RobFlow is easy to learn. For difficult measurement tasks, you can rely on the Battenberg programming service.